Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to comment on a pin on Pinterest using your computer, following the latest updates to the platform. It's a straightforward process, so let's get right to it. First, you'll want to head over to Pinterest's website, pinterest.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage, which is a curated collection of pins based on your interests and past activity. Take a moment to scroll through your feed and find a pin that catches your eye, the one you want to comment on. Once you've spotted the perfect pin, give it a click to open it up. This will bring you to a detailed view of the pin, where you can see more information about it, including who pinned it, the description, and any related pins. Now, look for the comment bar. It's typically located near the bottom of the pin, often indicated by a speech bubble icon. This is where you'll be typing your thoughts and feedback. Click on the comment bar to activate it. A text field will appear, ready for your input. Go ahead and type your comment. Whether it's a question, a compliment, or a relevant thought, make sure your comment is engaging and adds value to the pin. You can also add emojis to express yourself. After crafting your comment, it's time to send it off into the Pinterest sphere. Look for the Send button, usually found next to the comment box. Give it a click, and your comment will be immediately posted for the pinner and other viewers to see. Your profile picture will appear next to the comment. Now, a cool thing about commenting is that the person who pinned the image gets a notification that you commented. This can spark conversations and connections with others who share your interests. If you want to take it a step further, consider adding your own image to the comment by tapping the gallery icon. This can make your comment more engaging and attract more attention. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully commented on a pin on Pinterest using your computer. By leaving thoughtful comments, you not only share your perspective, but also contribute to the vibrant community that makes Pinterest such a unique and inspiring platform. So go ahead, explore your Pinterest feed, discover amazing pins, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts and connect with fellow pinners. Happy pinning and happy commenting.